So I was just looking out my window and I just filmed a big crane that was in the background for another channel. And as soon as I pressed stop, a hummingbird appeared like a foot from my face and just hovered there for a little bit. And I said, "Oh, hello." And they left. And it was fascinating. It filled me with, a little bit of joy. I did, however, look down the bottom of my window frame to see an incredibly scary spider, which brought me back to reality really quick. But does seeing a hummingbird mean something? It feels like it should mean something. It was such a nice moment regardless.